Hello friends, welcome to the Infologs YouTube channel. This is Abhishek. In today's video, we are going to start a new and fresh video series on AWS services. As you can see, the front end, I have already loaded the aws.amazon.com. Okay, nowadays if you see, there are a lot of huge surge in the cloud computing world. Okay, if you name them, then there will be Amazon, then Microsoft, Google, then IBM, etc, right? But as I have selected the Microsoft first, because this is the leading cloud computing cloud provider in current stage. Okay, backed by obviously the Amazon, right? So what you guys are expecting from, what you can expect from this video series. So we are going to see each and every featured services you can see over here. Okay, so there will be a talk about EC2 and the practical launching of multiple instances, how we can secure them, how we can do the server hosting stuff in that particular instances. Then we talk about the different kind of the Amazon services. Let's say for S3, for the database, it's Amazon Aurora. It's a new relational database provided by the Amazon itself. Then there is a DynamoDB NoSQL database, then RDS. There are a lot of different databases available in it. For example, it's MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and MariaDB, right? And then there will be a serverless management of your applications. For that, we can talk about the AWS Lambdas, how we can manage our VPC, that is virtual private cloud, right? Then there are different other services we are gonna talk about on that as well. For example, for the analytics, it's a CloudWatch, Cloud Search. Okay, so there will be a caching concept, there will be a streaming kind of concepts. We can use this Amazon Kinesis for the streaming real-time data. Okay, so these all are services we are going to cover in this video series. So I hope you guys will like it, and if you think that this series is going to important for the Amazon who are going to provide a solution for the cloud architecture, how the cloud architecture should be, right? So in that case, this video series definitely going to help you guys. Okay, so if you have any queries, or if you want to cover a specific concept or specific services of Amazon, so you can just write to us. So one of our team member will definitely reach with you for the solution. Okay, so I am hoping that you will follow this video series for till the end to learn more about the Amazon Web Services. Meanwhile, we are also continuing the existing video series, that is about ASP.NET Core and Blazor technology, which is provided by the Microsoft. We are also going to talk about the C#. So currently there are 4 running video series on this YouTube channel called Infologs. Okay, and for more information, there will be a website called infologs.in, where you can find all the latest articles about the different kind of programming languages, as well as on Amazon Web Services. Okay, so whatever we cover in the videos will definitely provide simple articles on the infologs.in website. So this could be a great one-stop shop for one-stop learning for everyone's. Okay, so if you want to go for iOS, Android, or different kind of services, so here is the place. Okay, so I hope you have you will learn or enjoy this whole video series on Amazon Web Services. Till then, thank you. We'll see you in the next video for how we can create the account in free tier account. Okay, that's important, because we are not going to pay any cent for learning the Amazon Web Services. Okay, we're totally dependent on the Amazon Web Services documentation, as well as the hands-on. Okay, so whatever we see in the upcoming videos. Till then, see you in the next video. This is Abhishek signing out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.